I don't know. It's a good fish. Not a cat, because it's not coming. It's not swimming towards me.
What do you got, brother?
I got a jack.
We got a jack.
Yeah, we got a jack. All right, we didn't get the skunk.
No. We did not get the skunk today.
Terry.
Yeah.
This guy does not want to cooperate.
You want me to get the net?
No.
Okay.
I got him now. I got him. I got him. All right, we did not get the skunk today. Good morning, everybody. Nick Triola, the Barefoot Fisherman. Today we're out here in Fort Pierce doing some fishing. And got a special announcement for everybody today. The reason why we're out here is we are testing out Terry's new kayak. That's right, folks. I told you before we would get Terry a better kayak. Well, guess what? It eventually happened. And thanks to Ed at South River Outfitters, yeah, we got it done and made it happen. You know, Ed has a end of the year sale every year at the South River Outfitters, where he sells off the old year's models and demo models. So, you know, Ed messaged me and told me what models he has, and he had a Perception Pilot. So I thought that was a good kayak to have for Terry, because the Perception is a drive system. His drive system, believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, is better than mine because it has reverse. And right there it is, ladies and gentlemen. There is the Perception Perquestador Pilot 12. And here goes my little jack that I got. All right, buddy. Enjoy. All right, Terry. We did not get the skunk, sir. All right. That's awesome. So, like I was saying, everybody, there's Terry's new boat. It's actually tangerine color from what Perception says. So, I like the color. I mean, it's bright. You know, it makes Terry visible. And that's a good thing. So, like I said, ladies and gentlemen, we're out here in Fort Pierce, just sitting here fishing, trying to get things done. I wish I would have videoed when I threw my cast net for bait off of my kayak, but I didn't do it, so no big deal. It was a beautiful cast, netted us a little bit over, you know, 3 dozen. What do you say, Terry? 3 dozen?
At least.
Well, at least 3 dozen greenies, and they're actually beautiful size greenies. I like this size greenies we got. So other than that, ladies and gentlemen, that's about it. Continue watching, and we're going to upload more videos of what we're catching today. The cat?
I don't know. No. Nope.
Oh, look at there. That goes in the box. Here. That goes in the box. That's a nice snapper. Bring him here. Yeah. Gotta make sure he's good, though.
Right.
Gotta make sure he's legal. That's a nice snapper.
Now I was in the middle of tying. Now I gotta do it all over again.
Welcome to fishing. Terry.
What? Not legal?
I don't know. It's a gray snapper, mangrove snapper. So,
Do what?
that's a gray mangrove snapper.
Keeper?
I don't know yet. 10 inches. Got to be 10 inches. Terry, come here. Don't worry about that. I need to make sure we're legal. Boy, that was a good pitch right into the kayak. I saved it. I pitched him right in the kayak. I can't even get him out. Terry, would you get over here?
I'm coming.
Would you get here? Come here. Come here. Get my stick.
Right in the boat.
Threw him right in the boat. Alright. It's got to be 10 inches.
11 and a half.
Alright, here's keeper. Oh man, what a mission.
We have a keeper.
Oh, that was funny.
I was trying to tie the knot and reel the fish in at the same time.
I'm recording, so watch your language. That's funny.
I know. Got another snapper.
Let's see. How big is he?
About the same size as the last one.
I don't know. I think you're lying to me. I think you're lying to me.
Nope.
I think you're lying to me.
He's a good one.
I don't know, let me see. Hold on, let me get set up here. I gotta get back in the game here.
Oh, and I hooked him good.
I'm recording, so watch your language.
I know. I'm saying I got him good.
Let me see, let me see. I don't know. Let me see. I don't know, Terry, that's kind of short. It's kind of short. Man, you got him like right inside.
Mm-hmm.
Come on! Look, dude. I am fixing to give you a tonsillectomy.
We just want the hook back and then we're going to put you on ice.
Come on, man.
You got a friend in there. Trust me, he'll be happy to see you.
Like, damn, Jim, they got you too. I can say damn. Damn's not bad. There we go. Watch the hook.
Yeah. Let's see.
No. I think it's got to be 10.
Yeah, you said it. They got to be 10 inches. Last one was 11 and a half.
Hold on. I don't want him to stick me.
Right. That would just hurt a little bit.
That's how I lost the last one. Alright, he's there.
10 and a half inches.
10 and a half.
Yep.
In the box you go, sir. In the penalty box.
Penalty box. Penalty box.
Told you about snappers. Hopefully one day you'll start listening to me. Would be my greatest wish. That I actually know what I'm talking about and doing. Hey Terry, here's my thinking.
What you think?
Why don't we walk our kayaks a little bit closer to that choke point right there?
Well, I mean, that's where I'm catching these snappers at.
Yeah, I know, because you're right there in a choke point. That's a beautiful spot. Hey, be quiet in there. I know. And I'm like all caught up in this. Terry, pull me out.
I'm trying, little brother. Give me 1 second.
Yeah. I'm like all messed up 7 ways come Sunday in here.
Both are. That's a nice one. It looks like he swallowed the hook though.
I don't know, he won't open up for me. Terry, pull me out of here. Come on. Open up for me. No, he didn't swallow it. I can save it.
Huh?
I can save it.
You can save it?
Yeah, I can save it. You just gotta open up for me.
You can't go here. This has got to go right here. Just for now. Oh, get in here and find up.
Oh.
And Alright, I got you out of there.
Do me a favor.
What's up?
Grab my fish stick
Where's it at?
and let's get a measurement on him. Good enough. 12 inches.
That's legal.
Yeah, he's gut hooked.
Is he?
Yeah,
Okay.
he's gut hooked.
Alright, I'm gonna...
Start pitching under the mangroves.
That's what I'm gonna do, but I gotta get situated here. You know what I'm saying? Sideways. Oh, I've been sideways.
And I'm stuck in here. Go in the penalty box.
Yeah.
All right, Terry. Ah, another catfish. Ah, I hate catfish. Couldn't you have been something good? Knock it off. Knock it off. Would you stop it? So I can get this hook out. I'm not gonna hit you, I promise. Thank you. Go away. You're a waste of my time and my video.